Koreatown business sues TikTok influencer.
Yeah, this slander and libel lawsuit was filed just 5 days ago. To the owner of a Koreatown plastic surgery center, a Yelp review is one thing, but a TikTok video from a social media influencer that reaches millions is another, especially when it results in a loss of business. You're looking at surveillance video from the Way Plastic Surgery Center in Koreatown, which lawyers say is direct contradictory evidence of claims made by social influencer Tina Kim.
I do take offense, and I take it very seriously.
Dr. Peter Lee is the CEO of Way Plastic Surgery Centers. He says they care about service and as patients come in with appointments. He says Tina Kim did not have an appointment when she came up to the desk.
Before someone can leave a review, there should be a place where businesses can leave a review on the customer.
And all of our staff were busy at that particular time.
To him, her reaction was beyond a simple review. He's suing the social media influencer for libel and slander. He's asking for unspecified damages. He says his business was harmed and he had a drop in business about the same time that the post was put up. Others are weighing in too.
The first thing that...
Now, suing someone for libel or slander just depends on how false their statements were. If their statements were outright false, then you should sue them. Now, if their statements were accurate, then, well, there's really no lawsuit to be brought.
That I noticed when I saw this video is, yes, this TikToker is describing her experience when she went into this plastic facility. However, there is an issue when she goes a little bit too far.
Ugo Lord is not only a business law attorney, but also a TikToker who is sort of a legal influencer helping followers to better understand the law.
It's one thing to talk about your experience and say, I did not enjoy it and I would not recommend it. But it's another thing to go a step further and say, do not go here.
Do not go to this Wave Plastic Surgery place.
I mean, it's essentially the same message.
In Koreatown, Los Angeles.
And I believe that is what is stepping her into some legal hot water.
And there is another matter.
What's stepping her into legal hot water is that she misrepresented the fact that she needed an appointment, she didn't have an appointment, and this influencer is getting upset for what seems like a pretty silly reason from what I've seen in the video so far.
Kim claims she was at the desk for 15 minutes. Surveillance video shows it was under 4.
If you exaggerate the truth or stretch the truth maliciously, or if you rephrase the truth to allow the audience to think that something else happened, even if your words are actually truthful.
A 4-minute delay versus a 15-minute delay, that's not what I would consider an exaggeration. I would consider it a lie. And this influencer just lied to get more likes and views and comments and following on social media. So I'm actually very happy that this lawsuit got brought.
Then a court can deem it malicious.
In her video, Kim lets the front desk personnel know exactly how she feels.
And FYI, I'm an influencer, so you guys just got the
I'm an influencer.
worst review.
We've been communicating with social media influencer Tina Kim. We asked her for a response to the lawsuit, and Alex, we're still awaiting her statement.
She can't stand behind what she says. I think it's great when people speak out about businesses, actually good or bad, if their experiences are truthful. But it doesn't sound like anything she's saying she can really back up. It's quite unfortunate. Now, that being said, every single time that this type of lawsuit happens, where a social media influencer actually does say some things that are wrong, there are lots of times when a social media influencer tells the truth and they end up getting sued, which is why my firm works with quite a few media personalities and influencers who are concerned about asset protection, because even when they do nothing wrong, they could end up getting hit with a lawsuit.